How to verify your age on Roblox. Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial for that so that you can unlock your voice chat and age restricted features. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, we can head over to your browser and we can open up Roblox. If you're on mobile application, you can open up the Roblox application as well. And once you are here, what we can do is we can go to the settings once we are logged in. But I look out for the settings option in the top right and click on it. And look out for the settings. Once you click on the gear icon, the problem menu that pops up. Now go to account info if you're not there, and you'll be finding account info section with your display name, email, etc. And here we have this option. Now in order to verify your ID, what we can do is we can look out for this personal section with our birthday, etc. So in order to get the verification, you need to have a government issued ID, such as passport, national ID, driver's license, etc. And also take a selfie to match your ID. So we can just go and look out for this option called check your age to get more features, which can estimate your age with your camera, or you can verify your birthday with an ID. So you can either continue with camera or continue with ID. So you can select this option. If you continue with ID, you need to provide in these verifications. So first of all, if you have passkey, you need to provide it up, and then we can start the verification. So as I said earlier, you will need a government ID, which will be used to verify your birthday. It should be very valid. So you can just go and make it ready, and you can start with the process. Click on continue. And here, now you need to select which country is your government ID from. Select a few country or region from the list available. Click on continue once again. And then you need to choose one of the following options, such as driver license, national ID, passport, citizenship certificate, and click on it. After that, you can click on continue. You can take a clear photo of the front of your driver license or anything of your ID. And then you can click on continue and submit it up and wait usually a few minutes. And once approved, your age will be verified easily. And once unlocked, what you can do is you can just go over and use voice chat, even, get extra age restricted experience, more privacy controls. And the thing is, you must be 13 plus, and your image should be also be very clear. Even your ID should be very real and clear, because Roblox uses a third party trusted verification, so your ID is not shown publicly. You do not need to worry about that, but you can follow this method for that. So we hope this video was helpful. If it was, give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.